All back for the razor company. Gonna revisit an old favorite. We go way back to about a month ago. HC&C Cowboy up. Brush is soaking, Gillette green in the razor. Roll that intro. Just gonna try and do a quick little shaving chat, although I always say it's gonna be quick and it never is. Gonna load this brush up, you know what I mean? I really like the what is it, ombre leather dupes, or inspired by scents. I think Elysian, patchouli peach, excuse the water. Patchouli peach is still the reigning champ, but big fan of the Cowboy up from Hendrix. I can multitask. Yeah, I really think the Oro Valley by Sterling is really good too, if I haven't said that already. This one is a little bit more woody, where that one that has a little bit more almost like raspberry thing. It smells a little brighter, fruitier, which I love. I think it's great. But this has a bit more of a cologne kind of thing going on. Smells really good. I'm a big fan of it. The guy at Hendrix is pretty awesome too. I mean, you know, I'm sure there's more than one, but I never know if, like, what's the perfect universal soap consistency? Is it like soft peak egg whites or hard peak, or is it supposed to be stiff or dangle, or got a little, I mean, it looks good to me, but if there's any way that I can improve, it'd be good to know. I know what I need. A handy dandy. Put that wall there. Yeah, there we go. It's like Brandon Shave says, man, if you ain't doing it with a spray bottle, you might be doing it wrong indeed. All right, let's get going here. That's just gonna have to do. So I know I'm rocking this gnarly shirt, but this is not actually my favorite TRC product. Used to be my cream soda brush, but I got this gnarly one from Chisel and Hound. Shout out to that guy. However, freaking world's greatest towel. About to use this to clean up here in a minute. Who knew? Who knew that a towel could be so good? I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Gillette green, man. I think I rolled the black out. I think I said that in the last video. It's between the green and the platinum in the Gillette line for me. Just, I mean, this is the easiest, smoothest neck shave I think I've ever gotten. Something about the Gillette green and the Henson medium aggression. Just a combo. That's fantastic. I am going to be trying some new blades here soon when they come in, but more on that later. All right. Got to make Carlos proud. Not skimping on the soap, man. For you, Big Daddy. Just gonna do it straight up. Oh shoot, might be making good time. Hit that a little bit. Give it the old, how's your father? Paint it on. Yep. The Cowboy Up's got a really good leather scent. Just for, in case there's anybody out there that's new to all this like me. If you're a fan of ombre leather, try Oro Valley, try Cowboy Up. I've not tried Phoenix what is it, Phoenix Artisan. They have one that's got some crazy name like Danaid's Foil or something like that. Haven't tried that one, mostly because just started discovering brands like Elysian and Hearth and Altar. Those guys, shout out to the couple at Hearth and Altar, they're pretty awesome. A little gentle there. I think that's about got me. Let's see. Oh man, we got a lot, all the soap's hidden in the beard. What in the world? Gotta get it out of there. Can't let it go to waste. Oh yeah, that might be a nice little nick. This is what shaving left-handed looks like. Just right-handed with a lefty grip. All right. A little bit of water. Line. Normally I would rinse off. I've gotten into this. Oh, no cuts. No cuts. How about that? That's what's up. Gotten into this groove of trying to bang one of these shaves out, jumping in the shower, hitting the dome, throwing on some aftershave splash. Which that reminds me, I am gonna throw on Cowboy Up aftershave. Just gotta keep it matchy, you know? Well, look, that's it for me. I plan on being back. Hope you do too.